bullet journal with me for April 22nd, and I'm going to give it 4 stars. For my health log, I was once again well. And for the anxiety log, I'm going to have to give it medium again, actually. It was just a drinking anxiety because I was out most of the day drinking. I still had a good time despite it though, so it's not too bad. Finally, for theory and pixels, I don't remember my dream. Moving on to the April trackers, starting off with the habits. I again only did 2 of these, and they were also the exact same ones as the day before. I just exercised and moisturised. For the step counter, I did manage to do 13,500 steps. Very nice. And I slept from 3 AM till 9:30. Finally, highlight of the day was we all went to, or a big group of us went to karaoke for a friend's birthday. It was super fun. Okay, that is everything for today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.